evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1665th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Good evening, traders. Before we get into the topics on the board, futures trading, well, this video is coming at you on a Tuesday night for trading Wednesday. That is August 30th, 2017. Before we discuss the topics on the board, you must recognize that futures trading is extremely risky, causes substantial financial loss, like today if you followed the Omni for trading on Tuesday. Listen, my apologies. Omni has been doing a really good job for us lately, but not yesterday on Tuesday. Ouch, 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 right? We got tagged in the ES and the NASDAQ. We were hung out to dry. But hey, traders, come on, Duke's up. You've seen this NASDAQ's you've seen this Omni's really been giving us some great trades, right? Every now and then we got to donate to the cause of trading. It's part of the game. So, Duke's up. Get ready for what's on the board and know that futures trading is absolutely risky like it was today. Put your stops in, put them in first. Don't worry about slippage. Let's get moving, rock and roll. What's on the board? Green Omni for trading in E-mini S&P, and I'll show you the chart and I'll show you why. We're starting right off by buying the E-mini S&P, buying dips if we can get filled for trading on Wednesday. Transportation average back above the 200 bar moving average, and that is key for fund managers, and voila, it's above, we're buying dips. Holiday reversals, that's an Oscarism. Only some of you would recognize that and believe in it. The ones who have been following Omni long enough certainly believe in holiday reversals. Holiday reversals showing themselves especially in U.S. dollar. Now, U.S. dollar has been used to going down for days on end. The markets have been used to the dollar going down. They've been trading very technically. The dollar went up on Tuesday and... The dollar went up on Tuesday, and the markets didn't know what to do. They started jittering all over the place. They're not used to the dollar going up lately. I think you get more of that again on Wednesday, so be careful. Grains are bearish, and I'll show you some great charts there. And Apple becomes a buy once again. Apple's always been a buy with Omni. But for day trading, Omni wants to get involved in Apple, and I'll show you those charts. Traders, I actually have 2 seats left at OmniCamp. Not one, but 2 seats left at OmniCamp. If you'd like to learn how to come up with the Omni Oscars Market Navigational Indicator for yourselves, so like today, you can learn how to lose without my help. If that sounds appealing to you, come on down to livewithoscar.com. Fill out your OmniCamp applications. There are only 2 seats left for this October's OmniCamp. It'll be a live session held here in Vegas. Only 5 of you are coming out. It'll be a very, very intimate class, and I'll be more than happy to teach you how to get the Omni correct for yourselves. 2 seats, livewithoscar.com. What else is on the board? So, we've got live recommendations at livewithoscar.com. These are real-time recommendations. When the market is moving, I am sending you signals exactly when Omni wants in and out. That's the Platinum membership. Come join me. And, of course, the live trading room is absolutely free, and I appeal to you to do 2 things. Subscribe to my YouTube so that you know when I'm putting out these videos, and come on down to livewithoscar.com into my free live trading room. With no further ado, let's go look at some charts. Okay, traders, Dow Jones Transportation Average we deem this the leader of U.S. indices, and I've been showing this to you for weeks on end. When it's under the fund manager's green light special, being the 200 bar moving average, I'm worried about it. When it gets back over, I like it better. As of the close on Tuesday, we are back above the 200 bar moving average. When it holds, it runs. So it held. It's back above. I've got to take that signal. The Omni's green. I've got to take that signal. Look at the E-mini S&P. Old Faithful, the exact same thing I showed you in last night's video, and we were below it. Well, we ended up settling above it. And now I've got to respect that. We are back above Old Faithful. That's my Omni average. And up we should go, at least for day trading. So we are taking the buy signal in the E-mini S&P. The Russell now, I showed you in last night's video that the Russell is in a bear flag, and it absolutely is in a bear flag, and no arguing there. However, let's take that flag away. Let's look at the chart as of today. We are above the 200 ball moving average, and not just by a little. We are above the 200 ball moving average right now. So I'm going to just, see, I made, the flag is still there, but I've lightened the line so you can barely see them. I'm going to just, make the flag a little opaque so that we can see above the 200 bar and go with, at least for early day trading tomorrow, the green OMNI that we have in the U.S. indices. And that takes us to soybeans. And this looks a bit easier. Doesn't this look easier to you? You've got a dollar going up in a holiday reversal. Soybeans just falling out of a bear flag. I say it's a lot easier to go after this bad boy than it's going to be the U.S. indices tomorrow. So come to livewithoscar.com and sell soybeans with me. It's flag day at your local soybeans grain silo, kids. Look at that signal. And then you've got this. Look at corn. Now we go out to a weekly chart. Long-term trend on a weekly chart now. Hits the 200 bar and gets leveled. Wow, that's nasty looking. Looks like corn has more downside coming its way, even on the weekly, dailies and weeklies. And then, hooray for Apple. Look at this. It's back, getting back above the center line. As you can see, when it gets above the center line of the parallel, boom, it holds well, gets below, it stays below. It's been messing around. Well, as of the close, Omni's green and Apple's above that line. And at least to start off the session, we will be buyers in Apple. Traders, come on down to livewithoscar.com. Come join me in my free live trading room. So, traders, you've seen the charts. You've got my technical reasoning why we're going with this Omni and emini S&P to start the day off. I didn't show you the chart on dollar index with holiday reversals. It'll probably come out in tomorrow night's video. I showed you the charts why grains look absolutely bearish. And Apple looks great, and I can't wait to see what happens with the charts tomorrow. Traders, I want you to come on down to livewithoscar.com. Once again, my apologies for today's trading, Tuesday's trades. Sometimes we just don't get it right. I say to you, I'm sorry, but from what I understand, you guys love me, right? If you guys love me, there's no need for me to say I'm sorry, but I'm saying it anyway. I'm sorry, kids. Come on down to livewithoscar.com. I know it's not funny, but it is what it is. And we will see if we can knock this thing out for trading on Wednesday. That's about it. Livewithoscar.com. Remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to help keep those emotions at bay, and I know it's not easy, but say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll. Livewithoscar.com. 2 Omni ticket seats left open. I'll see you there. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.